In this module, we review the benefits you gain from this energy management training. You've just completed an e-learning training course for an energy manager. By completing the course, you become an energy manager who's the most knowledgeable person within your organization on how to establish an ISO 50001 level energy management system, who's gained the knowledge necessary to lead the implementation of and to maintain an energy management system, who can verify and quantify the energy savings using energy performance indicators, who possesses the key management documents needed to adapt the organization to ISO 50001, who possesses an innovative audit scorecard system to implement an effective and transparent system audit, and who can lead and train people in a continual performance improvement process, as well as someone who has taken a valuable step towards your company's sustainable development. When you review the system you've helped to create, you need to ask yourself some questions, including questions about your own commitment. Do you believe in ISO 50001 level energy management? Does your top management believe in it and take leadership? Does your organization have an energy management champion in place? Does your organization have an energy management operations team? Is ISO 50001 level documentation in place? Is the evaluation of legal or other compliance in place? Is the energy policy in place? Has your organization planned or carried out an energy review? Has an energy performance baseline objective and target been defined and adopted? Can an ISO 50001 level action plan be integrated into your organization's management systems? Can a competence training program be integrated? Are communications in place? Is document control in place? Is operations control in place? Can the design aspect be integrated? Can procurement be integrated? Can monitoring, measurement and analysis be integrated? Can an internal audit of the energy management system be implemented? Is a continual performance improvement procedure in place? And can a management review be organized? Your management had the following objectives when they agreed to have you participate in this course: to enhance business development through sustainability with an ISO 50001 level energy management system, to develop a competent energy manager, to generate cost reductions and profit improvements, and to enhance the effectiveness of existing management systems. As an energy manager who has completed this course, you now have an obligation to communicate what you've learned to your organization, how this can be applied in the ongoing energy management operation, and how to reach best practice in continual energy performance improvement. Start by organizing a management review where you can share your knowledge of the energy management system. During daily operations, the energy manager checks the energy performance indicators and identifies any issues with the system, including energy conservation opportunities and ideas for improvement. He or she should be asking themselves two main questions. How is the management system performing? And that comes with a series of sub-questions. Is performance improving as targeted? Is the system adequate and effective? Is the organization complying with legal and other requirements? What non-conformities have occurred and what is their status? What problems and barriers need to be overcome and what are the achievements? The second question is, what is the plan for the next period? Is the policy being met? Are all roles and responsibilities properly filled and met? Are the objectives and targets sufficient to the need? Do energy performance indicators give a good enough picture? How are major projects performing, and has the system sufficient resources to meet its goals? The energy manager should run through a checklist when preparing for a management review. He or she should check the status of all the main issues from this last session, set up a strategy to ensure that top management can play their part, have all necessary materials ready, establish the agenda, identify who should attend, send off invitations and follow up to ensure that everyone will or can attend. During the management review, the energy manager should chair the session with a clear purpose. He should demonstrate to top management how the system is performing, highlight problem areas or barriers to improvement, encourage top management to speak, encourage participating members to speak, convince top management to approve further actions, Agree plans, processes and schedules for the coming period. Roughly estimate the date of the next management review. Clarify action items to be carried out before the next management review and record the discussions and decisions from the review. After the review, check over the record of the review, establish minutes of the session and distribute them. Follow up what was agreed, evaluate progress on action items and verify improvements using identified energy performance baseline and targets. And here's a quick overview of the energy manager's role using the Plan, Do, Check, Act process. Generate innovative ideas and motivate yourself to put them into action. That's the plan. Practice your innovative ideas. You cannot see unless you do. Failure is better than doing nothing. That's the do. Review what you've learned. Be humble. Assess and analyze your experience. That's the C, the check. And improve the best practice through improvement actions, preventive actions and corrective actions. That's the act.